So, you want to find some free music and sound effects to put in your game? That's great. Any sensible person will look up some cheesy pop songs to put them into their game, but that's not allowed, because you will get copyright strikes, and that is what we don't want. So, how can we create our own songs or find songs that we can use? I have some tips for you in this video. The first one, we look for this little app. You can just Google it, and it should be the first link from Dr. Petter. And then you get this if you download it. When I play sound or hit the spacebar, I get some pretty cool sounds for my game. I have a nostalgic vibe when I use this app. You can just randomize the sound, mutate it if you want to change it a little, or change the variables here. Go to the sliders. And you can have some for pickups, laser shooting guns, explosions, power-ups, hit hurts, jumps and blip selects. Again, you can just play the sounds, tweak these values a little bit. And if you want the sound on your computer, export onto your computer, just click here, give it a great name, save it, and you should have it on your computer and ready to put into your game. Like Unity, Unreal Engine, whatever game engine that you use. So this is the first tip that I have for you. Another one, if you don't want to download it, really quick now, if you want to download this, it's just below this screenshot. For some reason it didn't download on my computer, so I had to right click and then I had to open it in a new tab and then it would download it on my computer. So you can have the same one online, and it's another one, sfxr.me. To download this one you can just tweak this as well, and then you have this name here, or if you choose another one you have the name here. But you have to right click and then save link as, and you have it on your computer. So for example, now I have the sound on my computer. And I didn't have to download any program. So this works, but this is online. So choose whatever you like. So this is to create your own sounds. Now, what if you want to find a sound that you don't want to create, but you want to use in your game? There are some free websites like freesound.org. You just can grab these. You can just type in whatever sound you're looking for or find something here. And you can put them in your game as well. Another great tip I have for you, if you have a YouTube account, you go to YouTube Studio, go to Audio Library, and there is some free music and sound effects as well. Just be aware. Click the filter here and then click Attribution Not Required. So this is music that you can put into your game without giving credits to the owner, but giving credits is always a good idea. Sound effects, you can just choose one of these sound effects. You can add a filter or a category here, like let's say I want some horror music. Or you can just type in whatever you want, like for example a gun. This is how I find sounds for my projects or my games. You can create them for free with any of these resources, or you can choose a free sound website, or go to the YouTube Audio Library, because then you'll be sure you can use it on YouTube as well. Just be aware, Attribution Not Required is selected in the filter for free music or sound effects. Good luck! Please like the video if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell symbol. That way you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And remember to have a great day. See you next time.